Hi, I'm Deanna Lyons. So, another subject I thought was worth us taking a look at in the Solopreneur series is overwhelm. I wonder if you're like me, you feel a little overwhelmed with all the things that you have to do as a solopreneur. There's the marketing, there's the bookkeeping, there's the emails, there's Facebook, and all the social media. Then you're also trying to do whatever it is that you offer. So in my case, it's coaching and tapping and teaching classes and doing these things. And I find myself kind of caught in all the details as opposed to doing some of the things that I really want to do. But they're also very important tasks. So that overwhelm can feel like a big burden. And I thought it'd be good to do a little bit of tapping on that. So are you ready to join me? Because maybe you have that same feeling. Remember, I'm going to share with you how I'm feeling, but you might be a little bit different, and tapping works the best when it's more specific to you. So if what I'm saying resonates, please just come right along with me. But if your words are different or your challenges are a little different, then change when you repeat, change it to be more specific to you. I'm going to do a quick rating on what the overwhelm feels like in this moment. I don't have to go back to where I was yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm really wanting to get the rating for where I am right now. And when I think about all the things that are coming, that I really need to take care of, that overwhelm, my first thought, and I encourage you to catch the first thought from 0, it's not there, to 10, it's off the charts. It's a 7 for me, and I'm surprised. But that's where it's at in this moment. And how do I know it's a 7? Well, it was my first thought. Then also, I can feel a heaviness in my shoulders and a little bit of heaviness in my chest. So those will be our tapping targets. And here we go. We'll go to the side of the hand. Even though I'm feeling this overwhelm when I think about all the things I have to do, and it's about a level 7 on a scale of 10, I'm open to the possibility that I could shift this and have new insights and new possibilities might show up for me that I haven't been thinking about. Go to the top of the head and start working our way through the points. This overwhelm, so much overwhelm. There's so much to do. Need to take care of social media. Need to promote my course that's coming up. Need to answer emails. Need to call clients back. Need to take care of the bookkeeping. Whew, the more I think about it, the worse it gets. The list is really long. And it just never seems to stop. All this overwhelm. This overwhelm is showing up in my shoulders. This heaviness in my shoulders. This heaviness in my chest. It's just overwhelming. All this overwhelm. What if I don't have to do it all at once? What if I could jot down a list and prioritize? What if I could ask for help? I can't ask for help. There's no money for that. And even if there was money, I don't have the time to show somebody or teach somebody what to do. But what if it made a difference? What if asking for help gave me some time back? What if it could be different? What if it could be more fun? Oh, what if I could breathe? I'm open to all those possibilities. This time I'm going to pause and just check in and see how I'm feeling, which is something I encourage you to do in between, rounds of tapping as well. And so I'm just going to take a nice deep breath in and relax it out. We're moving energy, so we want to just check in and see what's happening. And if you have a little water, you can always drink a little water too. And that rating for me, that overwhelm, was at a 7 when I started. And now it's at about a 3 for me. I don't feel quite so overwhelmed. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to go with it, but let's see what happens. Let's go back and let's do another round of tapping. So even though I'm not so overwhelmed, there's still some left. And whatever that's about, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. This overwhelm, this remaining overwhelm, started at a 7. It's down to a 3. I still really have a lot to do, but I could ask for help. I could set some things aside. And maybe there's some things I could turn down. The idea of turning anything down doesn't seem realistic. But what if, just like asking for help and prioritizing, turning some things down that aren't fully in alignment with what I want to do, aren't in full alignment with my business, gives me more time to do some of the things that I need to do as a solopreneur. That feels a little scary, truthfully. But on the other hand, it feels kind of good. And it feels possible in the right time. I don't have to do it right now, but I could plan for it. And that I'm open to. So we'll go ahead and pause again and check back in and, take that another nice deep breath. And just relax it out a little longer on the exhale. And again, that first thought, 0 to 10, where is that number? And for me, it's down to about a 1. And that feels pretty good. It feels like a good place to stop. I went from a 7 to a 1. That's for a few minutes of tapping, I'll take that. And I hope you've had the same experience. Sometimes it goes up, and that's never a thing to be scared about. That's just information, and it's letting us know that we're on to something. I encourage you to continue tapping and let it reveal to you what's ready to be released and new insights to come in. They'll come. And if you're struggling, please reach out. Send an email, contact me. I'm always happy to help, or schedule a session with me. Or check out the series, the Become a EFT Practitioner series that I'm offering. And I'd love to see you there as well. Thanks so much.